Hello students, today we will solve NCERT exercise questions. First question is, which one of the following material cannot be used to make a lens? First is water, glass, plastic, clay. So out of these, water can be used, make a lens, glass can be used, plastic can be used, but clay cannot be used. Second, the image formed by a concave mirror is observed to be virtual, erect, and larger than the object. Where should be the position of the object? Between principal focus and the center of curvature, at the center of curvature, beyond the center of curvature, between the pole of the mirror and its principal focus. So concave mirror form virtual, erect, and larger than the object image when the object is placed between the pole of the mirror and its principal focus. So correct option is D. Next question is, where should an object be placed in front of a convex lens to get a real image of the size of the object? First option is at the principal focus of the lens, at twice the focal length, at infinity, between the optical center of the lens and its principal focus. So we know that for convex lens, the image will be real and of same size when the object is placed at the center of curvature, that is twice the focal length. The correct option is B. Next is a spherical mirror and a thin spherical lens have each of focal length minus 15 cm. The mirror and the lens are likely to be both concave, both convex. The mirror is concave and the lens is convex. Mirror is convex but the lens is concave. So we know that the negative focal length is of a concave mirror and a concave lens. So the correct option is both should be concave. No matter how far you stand from a mirror, your image appears erect. The mirror is likely to be only plane, only concave, only convex, either plane or convex. So we know that in case of plane mirror and convex mirror, the image formed is always erect image. So the correct option is either plane or convex. Next question is, which of the following lenses would you prefer to use while reading small letters found in a dictionary? First option is a convex lens of focal length 50 cm, concave lens of focal length 50 cm, convex lens of focal length 5 cm, concave lens of focal length 5 cm. So we know that when object is placed between optical center and focus of a convex lens, then it will form a virtual, erect and magnified image. So out of these, the correct answer is C. Convex lens is preferred and it should be of small focal length. Smaller the focal length, larger will be the magnification produced. Next question is, we wish to obtain an erect image of an object using a concave mirror of focal length 15 cm. What should be the range of distance of the object from the mirror? What is the nature of the image? Is the image larger or smaller than object? Try a ray diagram to show the image formation in this case. So first question is, what should be the range of distance of the object from the mirror so that erect image of the object is formed? and it is given that concave mirror is of focal length 15 centimeter. So this is your concave mirror. Then the object is placed between pole and focus of the mirror. The image formed is virtual, erect, and magnified. So the range of the distance is between P and F. That is, distance should be less than 15 centimeter. So the range of distance of the object is less than 15 centimeter from pole of the mirror, and we can say that the object should be between pole and focus. Nature of the image will be virtual, erect, and magnified. Size is larger than the object, that is magnified. Next question is, name the type of mirror used in the following situation: headlight of a car, side or rear view mirror of a vehicle, solar furnace. Support your answer with reason. So for headlight of a car, we use concave mirror, because in case of concave mirror, when object is placed at the principal focus of the mirror, the image will be formed at infinity. That is, after reflection, light after reflection from the mirror becomes parallel, or a parallel beam is formed. So when a bulb is installed at the focus at this point, then the light rays becomes parallel after reflection from the mirror, or K mirror will produce a parallel beam of light. Second is side or rear view mirror of a vehicle. So convex mirror is preferred as a rear view mirror because it produces a virtual, erect, and small image when object is placed in front of the mirror. So when object is placed in front of the mirror, it will produce virtual, erect, and small image. Wide area can be covered in a small mirror, so it has wide field of view. Convex mirror is preferred. So for solar furnace, we use concave mirrors, because concave mirror concentrate all the incident rays parallel to the principal axis at a single point, or concave mirror concentrate all the beam of light at a single point and produces a large amount of heat. As you see in the diagram, parallel beam of light after reflection from the mirror focused at a single point F. That's why K mirror is preferred. Next is, one half of convex lens is covered with a black paper. If the lens produces a complete image of the object, verify your answer experiment. Explain your observation. So when convex lens is half painted, then it will produce a complete image. But the brightness of the image will be decreased, because some of the rays are blocked by the lens. So lesser number of rays passes through the lens. So answer is yes, it will produce complete image. So experimentally we can show it. We have to take a convex lens and cover half part of it by using a black paper. Place it vertically. On one side of it, place a burning candle at this point. On opposite side of the lens, place a screen. Here you will place a screen. So we will adjust the position of the candle or screen till the clear image of burning candle is formed on the screen. So we observe that image is complete image of the object. So when convex lens is covered with a black paper, then again image will be formed, a complete image